What's up guys, Kai here, and today we will be doing the unboxing of the Blu-ray Collector's Edition of Mobile Suit Gundam Seed from the folks over Anime Limited. Now this is a big collection, so here it is, big collection. So this is only Gundam Seed, this is not Seed Destiny. So what you get is, this here is the original series in 480i standard definition, episodes 1 to 50, with the original Japanese audio and the original English dub. And then here is the HD Remastered series, episodes 1 to 48, with the new English dub and the art book. So let's get to this. So here is the front of the box. Here is the spine, which I really like. Here is the back. Here is the top, bottom, and the contents. Okay, let's go through them. We'll do the original series first. So here's the original series, standard definition. So here's the front of the box rather. Here is the back. Here is the spine. The top. The bottom. And its contents. So here is the series itself, and here's the back. So as you can see, complete standard definition series, episodes 1 to 50, image 480i and 4.3 aspect ratio, languages Japanese and English, so that's the original English dub, and then subtitles and English. And as you can see, because it's standard definition, they can fit all that onto just 2 discs. And as always, we're going to flip the cover, we're going to get rid of the white border here, so we get a fuller image of the front cover. There we go. Looks better. I wouldn't say it looks much better because, if I'm honest, I'm not a fan of this artwork whatsoever. It's a bit meh to me. Could have went with something better. But hey, this is just the standard definition. So there's that. And then what also comes with it is the special edition compilation movies. So basically it's the same as what they did with the original Gundam and then sort of Zeta Gundam as well. They take the series and then they split it into 3 compilation movies. So you get movie 1, 2 and 3. They are in 480i, 4.3, languages Japanese and English, subtitles English. Gonna be honest with you here, I have not seen this. I've only seen the original series. I didn't even know there was compilation movies. So yep, standard definition, all on 1 disc, and we're going to flip the cover. Again, looks better. I prefer this artwork to the other one. There's the Aegis Gundam, which that's my favourite of the 5 in this series, the original 5. Okay, and in terms of extras, we get some art cards with the black background, which, if you've seen my Gundam Wing unboxing, I said that I much preferred the black background to the white, so I'm glad that they're continuing that. So here is art card 1, art card 2, art card 3, art card 4, 5, and 6. Now my favourites would have to be this one. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the order that I like them. Okay. So let's put everything back together. So to recap for just the standard definition series, you get the compilation movies, you get the actual series, and you get 6 art cards and the box. Now I don't know if they're actually selling the standard definition and the HD versions separately. The only thing that's currently available is the big collector's edition that has both. But if that information has changed by the time that I start editing this, I will put it in the description down below. Now, let's get on to the HD collection, the remaster. Which, quick review, the HD version is much better than the standard definition, like the original series. Not in terms of like visual quality, that's obvious, but like just the animation fixes that they make and just sort of the pacing as well is a bit better, I feel. If you still hate Kira Yamato, you're still going to hate Kira Yamato, so that won't fix that. So here is the front of the box. Here is the back. Here is the spine. Here is the top and the bottom. Okay. So here is part 1. So episodes 1 to 24, image 1080p and 16.9 HD native aspect ratio. Languages Japanese and English, that's the new dub, and subtitles English. And we're going to flip the cover to get rid of the white background. There we go. Full focus. There we go. Yeah, that's much better. I like that. And at the back, as always, gives us the episode list. So that's part 1. Part 2. Love how the front cover is a big spoiler there. And here's the back. Episodes 25 to 48. Image 1080p, 16.9 aspect ratio. Languages Japanese and English. Subtitles English. Here's the discs. And let's flip the cover. Yeah, much better. Okay, now on to the extras. So you get some art cards. So we get this one, art card 1. art card 2, art card 3, art card 4, art card 5, art card 6, and a 7th one. So to rank my favourites, it would have to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, let me see. Aye, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Aye. Again, black background looks much better than the white. Don't know why, it just does to me. And we also get a poster. So in terms of extras, this box set comes with a lot, which I like. I mean, I am paying a lot of money for a collector's edition, so I want some stuff. Okay, now we get on to the art book. Now, this is a hardcover art book, and same front and back cover as the collection. So, now, there's a lot in here, and I really don't want to go through all the pages. Like, how many pages is this in total? Yeah, 106 pages. I'm not going to flip through all of these individually. So, everyone get your slow motion ready, and freeze frame when you want. Did you see it? Good. Now, I'll go through some of them. So you get characters, then the mechas, and then just sort of like a gallery of stuff. All of it's some really good images. Like that one, that one's pretty good. The Raider Gundam. Quite like that one, although my favourite was the Calamity, which should be, yeah, there he is. Of like the 3 new ones, that one was always my favourite. Anything with firepower, I like. Yeah, so that's it for the art book. Again, I don't want to go through it all individually, otherwise this video will be way too long. But yeah, it's a good art book. I mean, it's a book with art. What more could you ask for? So let's recap everything you get in this massive collection. So you get the original series in standard definition, and the movie compilations, and the art cards, and the box. And then you also get the HD Remaster series, part 1 and part 2, with 7 art cards. Woohoo! One more than usual. Get the poster and the box to collect it all in. Readjust the camera here because there's so much stuff. And you get the art book. So you get all that in this massive bloody box here. Let me see, am I zoomed out as much as possible? No, get a wee bit more space. Right, there. So you get all this in the Gundam Seed collection. easily their biggest collection by far. And their newest one. Actually came home from work the other day. I seen it was there waiting for me. And I was pretty excited to get it. Now, I only actually just watched the HD Remaster series, I think 2 years ago now. I think it was available on Crunchyroll, and I'd never seen it, and I was getting my mate to go through all the series with me. So, you know, I started them from the beginning, the original series, then 8th MS Team, War in the Pocket, Stardust Memory Zeta, and then he was interested in Seed, and I was like, okay, we'll watch it, and then I was like, oh, let's watch the HD Remaster series, and it was a great experience for me, because, like, obviously I knew the story, but just seeing the new stuff was really good. Like the Strike Gundam, but with all the Striker packs on it. Like, actually seeing that in animation was, like, great. Because it always annoyed me that they made a model kit about it, and it's like, oh, that never really happened. But now it's like, oh no, it did happen. So yeah, that is it. That is Gundam Seed Blu-ray Collector's Edition from Anime Limited. Their most recent release. So just to recap, for the last time, you get the original series in standard definition, episodes 1 to 50 with the original English dub. You get the new HD Remastered series, episodes 1 to 48 with the new English dub and art book. The original series with the original dub is in standard definition, 4.3 aspect ratio. The HD Remastered is in 16.9 aspect ratio, so widescreen. And if you're wondering, like, how come they go from 50 episodes down to 48, they cut out a bit of filler, and I believe there's like a recap episode around about episode 27, 28. I think they cut that out completely, because you don't need recap episodes. Like, maybe back in the day when you're in the middle of making the series and you need to make more time to animate the new stuff, but you don't need it now. Okay, so there we go. Hopefully this was insightful for y'all if you're interested in buying this. Hopefully this helps you make a decision whether or not to spend your hard-earned cash on this. I'm glad I got this. I'm going to watch it pretty soon, because I'm still making my way through Iron-Blooded Orphans, and then I'll finally get around to doing that unboxing next. I know I feel as if I've been saying that the past few videos. I was going to do it next, but then this came. So if nothing gets in my way, I'll do that one next. And then if I don't end up doing it next, then yeah, sorry about that. Yep, that's it. What's it, Gundam Seed? Is it the best Gundam series ever? Some would say yes, but some are also wrong. Me, personally, I like it. I think it's a good, enjoyable, easy series to watch. Like, you don't need to pay attention too hard. Like, you can just watch it for fun. Whereas, like, the other Gundam series is like, they've got really deep political intrigue going on, whereas this series kind of doesn't. And yeah, Akira Yamato himself, controversial pilot. People love him or people hate him. Personally, I think he's alright. He's not my favourite pilot ever. I don't think he's even in my top 10. But, you know, I don't find him stupidly annoying. But I'll save that for like a fuller review way later down the line. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.